Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have completed User Operating System Analytics chart. In this video, we are going to resolve a small bug within this chart. As you can see in this chart, we have some values. Here we are using label as a text, and here we are using percentage. We can use percentage here too by simply removing this, and now refresh once again, and here you can observe here is the percentage. Okay, now you can observe here we have text near to the boundary, and here we have text outside of the boundary. Same is the case with this and this. Okay, and now by this we are unable to read the figure correctly. To make it optimize, if we click this browser again, it will compensate all the white spaces and reallocate space to the text. Why it's going to be happen? Let's see the browser click action. When we click on browser, a callback goes to their relevant functions, and these functions render the information of the chart. First time, as you can see, when I will refresh, click on browser, it sent the call to the drawback set callback listener and render these charts. But due to unhidden or due to hidden screen, the chart get disturbed. To make it reliable again, we need to set another callback. Either we will click twice on browser, or we can set timeout function, which will be triggered in a short millisecond when this browser is clicked. Okay, how we can do that? We just simply need to create a function draw all charts. In this function, I will call these two charts. This is first chart and it will be the second chart. Now copy second chart and paste here. Okay, so we have a common function which will trigger these two functions. Okay, and now we need to search for set time. Okay, we didn't use any function right now for the time trigger. So now what we will do, here we are going to add set timeout. Set timeout. In the first parameter, we will pass a function which is draw all chart, comma, and then we will pass the time after which we want to trigger this. Okay, so I will say 10 and save it. Now execute the application. Application is executed, and when I will click on this, here you can see how it's worked, but the callback or the set timeout is not worked. Okay, now increase the time up to 1 second, and here we use console.log and pass the name, refresh and inspect and see the console. Click here. Right after 1 second, the draw chart is triggered, and here you can see it's built. Okay, on the 1 second difference, it's working fine. See, once again, click here, and right after 1 second it's worked. Okay, we can reduce the time up to 500 or the half second. And let's see, it's fast, but we can do it more on 250 seconds so that user will unaware of this uncertainty. Here you can see it's work fast. Okay, we need to reduce into 150. Okay, on the 150 it is not worked. Okay, or we can declare them outside, so when the DOM is ready, this function will be triggered automatically, and after that we can use this click listener. Okay, where is DOM is rendering? Okay, we are not using DOM ready, so let's create here a DOM ready function, paste it. Here is it. Now refresh and click here. Still it's not working. We need to enhance the time up to 200. And click here. Upon 200 it's not working. It will work on 250. Refresh, and here you can see it's worked. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.